WEN GN400i review, lightest 4000 watts inverter generator. In this video, we are going to do an honest review of the WEN GN400i generator by conducting a few necessary tests like what can WEN GN400i run, load test, how loud is WEN GN400i, noise test, and how many hours can WEN GN400i run on a single tank, runtime test. Unboxing experience of WEN GN400i. The packaging of this unit was super protective with lots of padding and cardboards. I didn't find any damage. The box contains a quick start guide, a user manual, an oil funnel, and a small toolkit. I didn't find the engine oil, which should be included. Design and build quality. Though the design of this machine is not futuristic like the WEN 56380i, it is pretty compact and lightweight, with a decent space on the frame to lift it. I didn't find the wheel kit within the box, which is strange. I have not been able to lift 66 pounds for a long time. When it comes to the build quality, the unit comes with a pretty durable corrosion-resistant frame that can last for years. Outlets and essentials. Low oil, overload, and output indicating lights. 2x120V, 20 amp AC outlets. Engine switch. 120V, 30 amp AC RV ready outlet. Circuit breakers. Choke lever. Parallel ports. 5V, DC USB ports. Grounding nut. Fuel tank size, fuel options, and runtime of WEN GN400i. WEN GN400i doesn't have a dual fuel option, and its single tank of 1.85 gallon can last for about 6 to 7 hours on 50% load. However, on 25% load, I operated it for about 13 to 14 hours. The manufacturers should include at least a bigger fuel tank or dual fuel option so that we can spend long winter nights comfortably. Since in winter, we use space heaters and other stuff for survival, a single tank of 1.85 gallons is not enough for spending a long cold night. What can WEN GN400i run? Load test. With a 212 cubic centimeters of powerful 4-stroke OHV engine, this machine can provide 4,000 starting and 3,500 running watts. Also, WEN GN400i is designed to provide pure sine waves. You can run ultra-voltage sensitive appliances fearlessly. WEN has claimed that it can produce under 0.3% of THD at no load. However, on full load, you will only find 1.2%, which is amazing. EOC mode test. After putting the generator on eco mode, I found a significant decrease in the noise levels. Also, the runtime increased drastically, but you can't put a high load on the machine with eco mode. I recommend you to put 25 to 30% load on eco mode to get mind-blowing results. How loud is the WEN GN400i generator? Noise test. This is not a super silent unit. I am getting 65, 68 dB from 25 feet with 50% load, which is not that bad. I can get super silent operation from 40 to 50 feet away. With eco mode, you will even feel lower noise levels. Thanks to the inverter technology, this machine can be used in RV parks because of normal noise levels. Parallel compatibility. WEN GN400i is parallel ready. You can fuse two units to get double or triple capacity depending on the machine you want to connect. Before connecting another unit, make sure to confirm whether it is compatible or not. Safety features. WEN GN400i is tested and certified by some of the best safety and environmental firms like CARB and EPA. You don't need to care about yourself, your appliance, and your environment. As we have discussed in the load test section, this machine produces fluctuation-free steady voltage even at high load. All of your voltage-sensitive appliances like a laptop, mobile, cameras, drones, etc. will be safe. Warranty and maintenance. Like all WEN generators, this machine also comes with 2 years of limited warranty with exceptional customer support. Also, you will find WEN service centers with experienced technicians around the globe. Who should buy WEN GN400i? If you are hunting for the most affordable inverter generator with decent capacity and runtime, WEN GN400i should be on your list. Besides its high capacity, this machine is not that loud and heavy. You can use it at any national RV park. As per my experience, most of the inverter generators cost $1,000 or even more if you are going for Honda, but this beast will cost you less than $500 with 2-year warranty, which is amazing.
So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.